Well, it's heating up on today's Rise and Dine. Summer is here, and so are the fresh flavors that we have all been craving. Whether you're looking to impress at your next backyard barbecue or gathering, or you just want to shake up your salad routine, we have just the dish for you. Back with us today this morning is Vice President of Helms College, Helms Culinary Education and Operations. Welcome, Chef Christopher Thompson.
Thank you for
How
having
are
me back.
you?
Great.
Good.
Doing well. Thank you.
Well, tell me about what we're making today.
So this is just going to be a really fast, light, simple summer salad. We're right at the peak of, or the beginning of tomato season. We have some great baby heirlooms that we pulled in from our farm. And this is just a nice, very, very simple, basic salad. Essentially what it is just four components. We have tomatoes, we have prosciutto, we have the burrata, which is a specialized fresh mozzarella with ricotta inside.
Delicious.
And then we have a little bit of prosciutto and balsamic glaze, okay?
I think that's my favorite cheese.
Absolutely. And this goes great with a little bit of fresh bread or some crostini, whatever is your preference.
Nice.
So very simple to make. A couple of things to point out, this is going to be marinated, so you don't really want to let it go probably more than 24 hours. So if you were going to use it, say, like you said, at a barbecue on a Saturday, you would want to make this Friday, but no more than 24 hours ahead. Otherwise, the acid in the vinegars are going to start to deteriorate the tomatoes, and then you're going to end up with more of a mush.
Oh,
yes.
yeah.
So we have some just real basic. We got a little honey. We have olive oil. We have some fresh minced garlic. And then we have some apple cider vinegar, okay?
Okay.
And it is just this easy that we're just going to put these together, stir them around. And this is where we would let it marinate overnight, okay, to really let that marinade penetrate the tomatoes.
Nice.
Now, this is all personal preference. If you want it more just tossed light, you don't really want to let it sit too long, I'd say refrigerator anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, and you would be fine.
Okay.
The last thing we're going to do is hit it with just a little bit of sea salt and cracked black pepper. Okay?
Yeah. And that's after you let it marinate or before?
That can be right when you put, get the bowl together.
Okay, awesome,
Yep.
good to know. Can you add a little bit more at the end, or is that like frowned upon?
Absolutely, no, you can. Remember that cooking is all in the eye of the beholder. What we do at Helms College is we focus on basic techniques and getting you to understand the principles behind cooking, such as understanding that things that have a high level of acidity are going to tend to deteriorate faster than other things.
Right.
And that's really what it is. So it's getting a fundamental understanding of how to cook so that you can go and make your dishes in your own vision.
Okay, so it's just that simple too.
That's that
They're already
simple.
done.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, let's try some, because I think we've got a little bit of time here left. So let's dig on in.
Please do.
Will you try some with me?
Oh,
No?
yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
I'm trying. You just got to be aggressive with it, right?
You do. You have to be a little aggressive.
And then I
with
just got a tomato. Should I get like a little piece of
Absolutely.
the prosciutto?
Fresh, easy, simple.
It is so fresh. Was that the tomatoes that makes it taste so fresh because they come from your farm?
Very light, very easy.
Just gonna set this back here.
And like I said, you get some of our really good bakehouse baguette. Then that's really kind of the missing link here. So.
Oh, what is that? Oh, some
Just
bread.
fresh bread coming right out
And
of
you
our
guys,
oven.
you guys make that too?
We do. We do. Yes.
What don't you make? Did you make the cheese?
We did not make the cheese, but we do make. We don't make burrata, but we do make fresh mozz and a couple other things.
Very nice.
We'll make fresh ricottas, burrata, or mozzarellas, and yeah. So.
Very cool.
Some principles.
Well, Chef, thank you so much for being here today. And
You're welcome.
We have this recipe and so much more on our website, wrdw.com/morningmix. And if you'd like to learn more about what Helms College has to offer, head on over to helms.edu. And yeah, thanks.
Thank you.